Indonesia, Jakarta. Indonesia, I'm here.
I'm a villain that's winning. With precision, I'm killing. Represent the religion. Ended up independent. Took my car to the clinic. Let them check all the vitals. Middle finger to right. I still got me a Carlo. Still got Monte Carlo. Your car running so bad, it's think up the Apollo. My soul comfortable at the dealership, I don't take my robe off. I wake up and I get to it. Breakfast time, I might seafood it. Lunchtime, I might lamb chop it. And all you do is talk shit like you eating food. South side of my bloodstream, smoking on that propane. I can tell you it's one thing I like, getting head wearing both chains. So many cars, I can barely park. So many cars, I need another damn garage. I'm famous with my fam around. Damn, I wish I had my dad around. Gave my nigga a Lamborghini, so that's a motherfucking Lamb me down.